Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing must have bottoms for winters, although my bottom is not showing away in this video, but don't you guys worry, मैं तुम्हें सब दिखा के रहूँगी. Anyway, so what usually happens in winters is कि like on your top area you can keep yourself warm by doing so many layering. Like I would say I'm a queen of layering. मतलब मैं इतनी ज़्यादा layering कर लेती हूँ, मैं at the end of the day ऐसे गोल लग रही होती हूँ. बट एनी वे तो यूजली जो बॉटम पार्ट होता है उसमें थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है टू कीप आवर सेल्स वार्म. सो आई थॉट दैट आई शुड बी मेकिंग दिस वीडियो टू हेल्प यू गाइज आउट की व्हाट आर the options which you can get for yourself in winter. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first why am I standing so weirdly? Okay, so the first option which I have for you guys are these velvet flare pants. Such a, you know, different color to get yourself something in bottoms. I don't know, maybe I was weirdly excited when I got these for myself. Anyway, that was a little backstory about it. These are in velvet, such a nice material to get, you know, in winters because they keep you very warm. Perfect. And ऊपर भी मैंने velvet में ही एक top पहना हुआ है, but I'm not liking it with this one. दोनों dark colors हो गया. Let's see क्या जाता है इसके साथ. Wait. Yes, now we're talking. This is now looking like a perfect winter outfit. Such a nice contrast it's giving, like yellow and green. Looks very nice. ये एक ऐसा outfit है जो कि तुमने शायद बहुत बार मेरी photos and videos में देखा होगा. Like this combination in particular is my absolute favorite. Also love the fitting of my pants. पहले मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा skinny थी, मुझे यहाँ से ना फिट नहीं होता था, बहुत ही लूज रहता था, बट नाउ आई एम लाइकिंग हाउ इट्स फिटिंग मी. मैंने लाइक पूरा एक साल बाद ही इन्हें ट्राई किया है अब. सो या आई एम लाइकिंग इट. ऑल्सो डिड यू गाइज नोटिस माई हेयर टुडे? आई नो यू गाइज वांट टू नो व्हाट्स स्पेशल गोइंग ऑन. ओके, सो टुडेज वीडियो इज पॉसिबल बाय सुपर स्मेली, which is India's first and only personal care brand aimed at Gen Z with certified 100% toxin free products, and one of them is their amazing hair gels right over here. You guys know how hairstyling is an important part in making or breaking any look, and hair gels can just leave your hair very dry and dehydrated, but this one in particular is very special and easy to use as well. Just squeeze out some gooey goodness onto your hand and rub and run through the hair for an even application. And not only this, for a shinier look you can apply this on your damp hair, and for a matte finish just like this one right over here you can apply this on your dry hair. Then just brush your hair immediately after applying gel for a straight look, or twist your hair with fingers for a curly or wavy look. This really gives you a strong hold without damaging your hair, as it contains a naturally derived ingredients like onion oil, biotin, aloe vera, rosemary, etc. to give you the makeover which you've always wanted without the fear of hair damage or graying. And you know what? It stimulates hair growth and counters hair loss, and it is suitable for all skin types and for all age groups. And don't you guys worry, I'm linking this super smelly hair gel down for you guys to check out. Okay guys, so next ये बहुत funny है, रुक जाओ, GoPro stop recording ऐसे. Okay, so next I have these neutral color ऐसे beige pants जो कि मैंने सरोजिनी नगर से लिए थे. बहुत ही thick है, like it's double material. मैंने अगेन इसे समर्स में बिल्कुल भी नहीं पहना है, तो विंटर्स के लिए मैंने इसे निकाल लिया है ढूंढ के. एंड यू गाइस रिमेंबर दिस वाइट टॉप? मैं इसे ढूंढ रही थी अपने पूरे ऐसे यू नो बड़े वाले बैग में व्हेन आई मेड दैट विंटर कलेक्शन वाला वीडियो. फाइनली मुझे मिल गया ये. एंड या दिस इज हाउ आई लाइक टू स्टाइल दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ यू नो सिंपल पैंट्स. जस्ट अ बेसिक वाइट कलर टॉप, एनी टॉप, इट विल जस्ट गो परफेक्टली. ऑल्सो मेरा क्वारंटीन वेट थोड़ा लूज हो गया है. कैन यू बिलीव इट? कितना ज़्यादा लूज हो गया है ये, तो पता नहीं, अब मुझे शायद इसे ऑल्टर करवाना पड़ेगा, और मे बी आई जस्ट पुट अ बेल्ट. So yeah, again these type of colors are just perfect for winters. मतलब बहुत ही ऐसे classy लगते हैं, बहुत ही minimal, and you don't have to do a lot of efforts. I mean, just look at me, just a basic white top and just pants, and it looks a very nice decent brunch look. Just a handbag and heels and I'm just done. Guys, next is my favorite skinny jeans from Zara. Now I would suggest, not suggest, I would say, like I would literally say it out loud कि Zara की jeans are the best. Like ये इतनी ज़्यादा skinny jeans है, extra small size में, still it fits perfectly. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा stretchable material है. I just love getting Zara jeans. I know a little bit pricey होती है, but I just always buy them as an investment because वो बहुत लंबे समय तक चलती है. And you can literally style them in so many different ways, like in summers and winters, कहीं पे भी कैसे भी. Summers में usually I avoid because you know it's skinny jeans, तो skin पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे you know it it's just a weird feeling. I know you guys can understand what I'm talking about, but winters mein it's just perfect. Why? Because it just hugs you from all the right places. So ऐसे ठंडी हवा नहीं लगती कहीं पे भी, so it sort of keeps you warm. And yeah, this is just a light blue color. I would also suggest you guys to get one in a bit of darker colors because वो बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, and you will have options to choose from in your closet. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Now talking about darker shades in jeans, I have this faded mom jeans with myself, which I recently got from H&M actually. And how I love to wear them is I just wear these sheer stockings or leggings inside it. So it just gives me another बहुत ही पतली सी layer which I can easily get inside these mom jeans, because jeans के अंदर layering करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So these kind of body hugging. So these body hugging leggings just stick to your body and थोड़ी कम ठंड लगती है, ज़्यादा हवा नहीं आती पैरों के अंदर, and just keeps you warm. And उसके बाद you can just wear boots and वो hide हो जाएगा उसका socks वाला area. And yeah, this is how it looks like. बहुत ही ऐसे chill, casual winter look, perfect for even colleges or just a casual day out with your friends and family. Yeah, just love it. Now that we were talking about stockings, you can even pair up your summer skirts. I mean, why not? Whenever we think of winter outfits and winter styling, we always ditch our summer outfits बिल्कुल ऐसे ही, but we shouldn't be doing that because बहुत ही ऐसे pretty colors होते हैं and you can just do something out of it कि तुम उसे winter appropriate भी बना सको. And these sheer stockings just work the best. Also, did you notice it gives me such Jenny vibes, if you guys know what I mean. In one of her performances she wore something like this as a color combination भी. I love it so much. I feel so cute and happy. मैं अभी यश को phone करने वाली हूँ. Let's go for a date right now. This is such a nice and happy look. Well, automatically I feel happy. It's so nice. Guys, in winters you do not have to dye yourself in that तगड़ी वाली ऐसी ठंड just because you have to go to any event or party. You can get these sort of leather pants for yourself. थोड़ी ऊपर हो गई. These sort of leather pants for yourself. Like summers में I cannot even think myself wearing anything for leather or something like this because it's very sticky, it's very humid here. It just gets stick to your body and it's a very weird feeling. So winters mein it's the best time to get yourself and maybe experiment also if you haven't already with these sort of fall leather pants or even skirts. Wait, I have one more. You can get yourself different types of clothing items in this sort of material. You will look super duper cool. And uske upar I have just worn this shimmery glittery full sleeve top and I'm just party ready. Also this top is from Chor Bazaar and the pants are from H&M. So ऐसे weird combinations तुम्हें मिलते रहेंगे, I promise. And last I have these super wide leg flare pants from Bhane, Bhane. You guys love these denims so much. I mean मैंने इसे बहुत टाइम बाद अपनी वीडियो में डाला because बीच में मुझे ये फिट होनी बंद हो गई थी. But anyway, even I love it so much. I mean इसका material is very thick, so you are going to be all comfy and warm in winters. And not only that, the plus point of wearing these super comfy flared pants is that you can even wear any tights or any warmer inside because बहुत easily चला जाएगा अंदर. It's not skinny jeans and you'll be more warm and comfy. And this is how it looks like. It's just a casual denim to have in your wardrobe. These are the things जो usually ऐसे plazos में आता है, but if you're getting something in denim जो कि more thicker material होता है, so that's good to invest in. And on top of it you can even style your kurtis and sweaters and whatnot and you'll be good to go. Good to go. See, मैंने बोल दिया दोबारा. मुझे लग रहा है मुझे सांस नहीं आ रहा मुझे. Okay, so yeah, that was it guys for today. I just wanted to make this video to help you guys out ki what are all the other options which you can get for yourself in winters in terms of bottoms, because वो थोड़ा tricky part हो जाता है. So I hope that it helped you guys in some way, and if it did, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.